Hey guys, we are out working on the 2011 F-150 Platinum. We are starting to do the minor upgrades. We're going to take this grill off, put the Raptor style grill in it, add the 3 lights. So let's get started. Well, the grill is finally here. Let's open up and see what we got. Well, there it is, out of the box, all set up. Got the letters all on there. Now ready to put on the truck. So I'll show you the upgrades when they're done. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 clips we put on there. 2 or 6 bolts. We're gonna use to put that back on. We got our 3 tabs here. And the only thing I don't see is my clips to the bottom here, but we'll take a look at that shortly. Okay guys and gals, friends and pals, I get a little ahead of myself. I got the grill on already, and I should have took this off the old grill. So this is more of like a sturdier brace, and then your bottom supports for the new grill get screwed in here and here. So I'm going to take these off. It's just a little Torx bit. We'll get these off and then show you what we get on the hood out there. Got one there, one there, one there, one here I took out already. There we go. One there. A couple of these, get them loose, and then we're going to take these brackets off here too. So I already ran my wiring harness through here. I get my wires, one for each one of the lights that comes across there. Tucked it through this sheet here. You just pop off your plastic clips and feed it down through here. One thing everybody did say, and you will see, same thing, is these wires are too short. We need to bring them up to the front here by the headlights. So what we're going to do is add onto these wires, and we'll feed them through here. And I don't care if you go off this side or this side. You're powered by the headlights, but either way you're going to have to deal with the headlights or get the battery out of the way to do it. So let's take a look and see what we get. So there it is in the daylight, guys. Swap that other grill out you just saw. It really did a nice little kit. It's like $100 I think I paid for this thing. Comes with the LED lights. Harness could have been a little bit longer to run it all the way to the firewall and back up to your headlights to make it clean so the wires aren't hanging down when you open the hood, but I think it looks pretty sharp. That's the first upgrade for the F-150.